We're going to solve for the value of x from this beautiful Olympiad exponential equation. We're given that 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 20. Now, if you observe both the left and the right hand side of this equation, we notice that the base in the left hand side is 4, while in the right hand side we have 20. So there is no way we can balance this base. So therefore, we're going to take the log of both sides to the base of 10. So when we apply logarithm, in the left hand side is going to be log of 4 raised to the power of x plus 2, which is going to be equal to log of 20. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall power property of logarithm. When you have a term raised to the power of another term, so that means this power is going to go back to multiply the log. So when we do that, we're going to have x plus 2 then multiply by log of 4, which is going to be equal to log of 20. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to distribute this log 4 into this bracket, is to remove the bracket. So log 4 multiplied by x is going to give us x log of 4, then plus 2 multiplied by log 4 is going to give us 2 log of 4. So everything will be equal to the right hand side, which is log of 20. Now, we have s log 4 plus 2 log 4 equal to log 20. Now, if we consider the one that is constant, 2 log 4 and log 20, they are constant. So we're going to bring them together. And x log 4, there's a variable attached to this log 4. So we're going to keep it in the left hand side. So we're going to have x log of 4, which is going to be equal to log of 20. And when these 2 log 4 cross to the other side, become negative 2 log of 4. So the next thing we're going to do, remember we're looking for the value of x, and here we have log 4 attached to x. So therefore, we're going to divide both sides by log of 4, or we just divide through by log 4 in order to eliminate this log 4. So we divide this by log of 4, and also log 20 divided by log of 4, and also negative 2 log 4 divided by log of 4. So the reason we do this, in order this log 4 can cancel this log 4. So in the left hand side, we have only x, which is going to be equal to log 20 divided by log 4. So we rewrite log of 20 divided by log of 4 minus, here we have log 4 and log 4 is going to cancel. So it will remain only minus 2. Now, the next thing we're going to do, this log 20 in the middle and log 4, we can break them. So this is going to be what? X to be equal to log of 20 is the same as what? Log of 4 multiplied by 5, which is the same as 20. Then everything all over log 4 minus 2. Now, the next thing we're going to recall is one of the property of logarithm. We see that when we have log of a multiplied by b, which is the same as what? Log of a plus log of b. So if you look at the numerator in the middle term, it's in form of log a multiplied by b, which is 4 multiplied by 5. So we're going to rewrite into this the right hand side using this property. So when we apply this property, we're going to have x to be equal to log of 4 multiplied by 5 in this form is going to be the same as what? Log of 4 plus log of 5, then everything all over log of 4, which is the denominator, then minus 1. Now we're going to simplify further. We're having x to be equal to this log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. Since the denominator is only one term, so both term in the numerator can share this denominator. This is going to be the same as what? Log of 4 over log of 4 plus log of 5 over log of 4 and minus 2. So we're going to have x to be equal to log 4 divided by log 4 is going to be 1, then plus log of 5. Then this log 4 can also be written as what? Log of 2 raised to the power of 2. Then remember this minus 2. Now we're going to have x to be equal to 1 minus 2 is going to give us minus 1, then plus log of 5. This, we add this together to give us minus 1, then plus. So this term now we have in the denominator, we have log of 2 to the power of 2. So we can you apply power property here also. This power here is going to go back to multiply log. This is going to be what? 2 log 2. When this power go back to multiply the log, applying power property of logarithm. So finally, we're going to have x to be equal to minus 1 plus these two. We're going to factor it out. It's going to be 1 over 2, then multiply by log of 5 all over log of 2. Then our final answer, we recall this property called changing of base property, which is when we have log of a over log of b, this is the same as what log of a to the base of b. So if you look at here, it's in form of these properties, in form of the left hand side here. So we're going to break it into the right hand side, into this form. So when we do that, finally we're going to have the value of x to be equal to minus 1 plus 1 over 2. Then written this in this form is going to be what? Log of 5 to the base of 2. So here is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more video like this.